Load leads from your Facebook lead ads. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be alerted when my next video goes live. All right, so you set up a Facebook lead generation ad and you're getting leads and you're wondering, hey, where are my leads? How can I download them? I'm gonna show you exactly where you can find them in two distinct places. All right, so the first thing you wanna do to download your leads is go over to the left-hand side here on your business page, go to Publishing Tools, click on that. And on the left-hand side, you see the section called Lead Ads Forms. You click on Forms Library, and you see all of the forms that I've created. If I click on, just from this screen here, if I click on Download, it'll download my leads into a CSV file or Excel file. If I click on here, I can download these leads into a CSV file or Excel file. I can also sort by date range. The other option here to find your leads is using the Lead Center, right? You can instantly view and manage your leads inside the Lead Center. You can get that from here by clicking on this link here. And it opens up the Lead Center where you will see your leads. Let me confirm until my lead data is loading. Now you can also get here, if I go back to my business page here and cancel that. If I go back to my business page here, I can also access the Lead Center on the left-hand side here, the business page, by clicking on this. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video was helpful and valuable. If it was, let me know in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be notified of my next video when it goes live. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.